Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acolyte. 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 Acolyte is a noun that refers to a person who is dedicated, devoted, or assists a leader, mentor, or a particular cause. It often denotes a person in a supportive or assistant role. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The young acolyte showed deep devotion to the church and its rituals. Why acolyte is used in example number 1. Acolyte describes a person dedicated to religious service. Example number 2. The CEO's acolyte played a crucial role in executing the company's vision. Why acolyte is used in example number 2. Acolyte indicates a loyal supporter in a leadership role. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.